The topic of today's video is how to avoid GF fees. So a GF fee or good faith violation happens when you buy a stock using unsettled funds and then sell it before those funds have settled, and you repeat the process using that same unsettled money. So then, to avoid getting GF fees, you would use settled funds only. Wait until your cash is officially settled before buying again. Track your settlement dates. So stocks settled T+1, so check your settled balance in the app. Smaller trades under $1,000 are less likely to trigger GF fees, as well as don't repeat buy-sell cycles with unsettled funds on the exact same day. And lastly, you could consider a margin account. So margin accounts allow use of unsettled funds bypassing GF fees, but only if you have $2,000 plus and understand the risks that come with margin accounts. And there you have it. Avoiding GF fees on Webull is mostly about timing and discipline. Trade with only cleared funds, keep an eye on size, and consider margin if you fit the criteria. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.